Good morning, children. Yesterday we learnt missing factors and multiplication properties, and we learnt multiplication made easy. Okay. Today we'll learn the next part of it, the page number 37. See the exercise multiply. We have to multiply 2-digit number with 1-digit number here. Simple multiplication we have to do here. See, A1 is 70 multiplied by 2. Now multiply the numbers. 2 zeros are 0. If you multiply with any number, then the answer will be 0. The property of multiplication. 2 zeros are 0 will come. 2 zeros are 0, then 2 sevens are 14. Like this we do. Yes, the number, this is multiplier and this is the multiplicand. Yes, the multiplier with the ones place number first, then the tens place. If 100 place number is there, then hundreds, 1000, 10,000, like this. First ones, then tens. The number multiplier with ones, the multiplier with tens, the multiplier with hundreds, the multiplier with 1000 and 10,000, like this, so on. Okay, but first we need to start with the ones place number. Now we got the answer after multiplying 70 with 140. See the B1 now. 80 multiplied by 4. 4 zeros are 0. Yes, 4 zeros are 0. Then 8 fours are 32. 32. 320. Okay. See the C1. 500 multiplied by 3. 3 zeros are 0. Then 3 with tens place number, 3 zeros are again 0. Then 3 with the 100 place number 5. 3 5s are 15. 1500 is the answer. Now I'll solve the this I1. Here the multiplier is 3-digit number and the multiplicand is 2-digit number. Let's multiply the numbers. 0 zeros are 0. Here again 0. 8s are 0. Yes, give the plus sign after solving first one. After solving the first multiplier, then go to the next multiplier which is in tens place, and you should give always plus sign when you multiply the number multiplier with the next numbers. Okay, 0 0 is 0 again, 0 8s are 0 only. Now this is 3-digit number. Now 200 is 3-digit number, and here you are going to put double sign, double plus. Okay, now multiply. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16. 0, this also 0. Add the numbers now. 0, here also 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 as it is, and this one as it is. So 16,000. We can do this in easy way also. Yesterday we have discussed, children. 8 2s are 16. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3. 3 zeros after 16. 16,000. Like this also we can do. Okay, now the remaining these 5 sums you will solve and you will send me. See the next one now. Exercise understand. When 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 is one of the factors, you must ask the following questions to find the other factor. Now children, yesterday we learned that when these 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 is given, then how to find the answers. Yes, now the factors they have, the answers they have given. Now we have to find the both the factors when 10,000, 100 and 10,000 is given. See examples. 60. Now 60 means 6 tens is 60. 60 how we write? 6 tens is 60. Question is how many tens in 60? There are 6 tens in 60. Yes, 6 tens in 60 means 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Like this. Now see the next one. 210. Now how many tens in 210? There are 21 tens in 210. That is 21 tens is 210. There are 21 tens in 210. If they give 1 0 only, then we have to add 10. We have to multiply the number with 10 and the remaining number we have to keep as a first factor, and 10 we have to keep as the second factor. And if 2 zeros are there, then we should understand that the one number should be 100 and the other number should be the number. And if 3 zeros are there, then 1000. The one number should be 1000 and the other number should be the remaining number. See, in 3400, how many tens are there? There are 100 tens. Okay, or how many hundreds are there? Now 2 zeros are there. Let's see how many hundreds are there. How many hundreds are there in 3400? 34 into 100. There are 34 hundreds in 3400. So 34 into 100 is 34 into 100 is 3400. So the factors are 34 and 100. And here in 210 the factors are 21 and 10. Now in 32,000, how many thousands are there in 32,000 children? This 32 number you are going to write as it is, and 3 zeros means it should be 1000. So there are 32 thousands in 10,000. So the factors of 32,000 is 32 and 10,000. Sorry, 1000. Okay. See, 32 into 1000 are the factors. In yesterday's class we have found, they had given the factors, we have found the answers. Now they have given the answers, we have to find the factors. If 1 0 is there, then we should understand it is a 10. And the one factor is 10 and the other factor is the number. And if 2 zeros are there, then 100 is the one factor and the remaining number is the other factor. And if 1000 they have given, 3 zeros they have given, then the one factor should be 1000 and the other factor should be the other number. This, okay. Now we'll see the exercise. Find the factors. One of the factors will either be 10, 100, 1000 or 10,000. For A1C, 240. Here children, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. Yes, then the one factor should be 10. Yes, 1 0 means 10. And the other factor, leave this 0 now. How many numbers left? 2 and 4, that is 24. So 24 multiplied by 10 will be 240. 24 tens are 240. Okay. Now see the C1 here, 3710. How many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. So one factor is 10. The remaining factor should be the other number, that is 3, 7 and 1. 371. Like this. See the I1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there means the one factor should be 10,000. The one factor should be 10,000, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And which number left now? Only 4. So the other factor is 4. 4 multiplied by 10,000. See the F1 now. Here the one factor, here only 1 0 is there. So it is 10. Okay. And the other factor is the number 9,999. So 9,999 multiplied by 10 is 99,990. Like this you have to find the factors if they have given the answers, that is product. Now we'll learn about multiplication of 4-digit number by 2-digit number. How to multiply 4-digit number with 2-digit number. Let's see the example. See this example they have given. They have given the number 2346 multiplied by 23 they have given. Okay. So now this is the multiplier and this is the multiplicand. And while multiplying the numbers, remember children, the number which is in ones place should be multiplied with the 6 first, then 4, then with the 3, then with the 2. And then in the next line, the number or the multiplier which is in tens place must be multiplied after the ones place number. After that, 2 with 6, then with the 4, then with the 3, and then with the 2, like this. this 3 with these three numbers from left to right first, and this in the second line the number 2 with the 6, 4, 3 and 2 we have to multiply. Let's see now. Now first number which is in tens place in the multiplier place is 3. Now 3 with the 6 first we have to multiply, then with the 3 with the 4, then 3 with the 3, 3 with the 2. See here 3 6 are 18 now. 18 we can't write directly. Yes, 18. 3 6 is 18. 8 we have to write here down, and the 1 we have to give as a carryover for the next number. Okay, 3 6 are 18. 1 we should give carryover for the 4, and 8 we should write here. Okay, now we have multiplied 3 with the 6. Now 3 with 4. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 12 plus this 1 plus we have to do. Here we should multiply, children. Here with here, or here with these 2 with these numbers, and these 3 with these numbers. But if the carryovers are given, then that carryover should be added, not multiplied. Okay, the carryover should be added. Now here 3 6 are 18. 1 carryover I have given, and 8 I have written here down. Then 3 with 4 I have multiplied. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 we have to do. Okay, the carryover we should add. 2 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Yes, 13. 1 we should give the carryover for the next number, and 3 we have to write here. Now 3 with 3. Now we have finished with 3 with 6, 3 with 4, and now 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 and carryover 1 they have given. That carryover what we should do? We should add. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Give the carryover here 10. Sorry, 1 as a carryover and 0 right here down. Now 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus this 1 carryover. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 you are going to write here down. And when you multiply the numbers, children, if you multiply 3 with 6, write the number there itself down, below this 6 only. If you multiply these two numbers, keep the answer below this 4 only, like this. Below this 3 0, and below this 2 this 7, and carry over, give the carryovers correctly. Now we have finished with the 3 with the all 4 numbers. Now next number is 2. Now we have to multiply 2 with 6 first, then 2 with 4, then with the 3, then with the 2. But remember, children, when you multiply the number which is in multiplier place, in the tens place, that number we should give here plus sign, or we have to write 0 here. Okay, before doing the multiplication, in the ones place we should give always 0 or the plus sign. Then multiply the number 3 with 6, then 2 with 6, then 2 with 4, then 2 with 3, then 2 with 2. See, now we'll multiply 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now we have multiplied these two numbers and we got the answer 12. 2 you are going to write here down below this 4. Okay, and this one you will give as a carryover. Okay, here above. Now multiply with the next number. Now here 2 4s are 8. 8 plus this one carryover is 9. 9 we have to write here. Okay, 9 below this 3 we have to write here. The number which we multiply with the ones place number should be written down below the same number. But when you multiply the next number which is in tens place, the number we should keep one step before. Okay, sorry, one step after, because here we put 0 or the plus sign. Now see, 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 we have to write below this 4. We have multiplied this, and 9 we have kept below this 3. Okay, now 2 3s are 6. 6 plus, sorry, 2 3s are 6 as it is, because no carryovers are there above the 6 here. Now 2 2s are 4. Here you are going to write. Now add the numbers. 8 plus 0 is 8. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 9 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry over and 3 here. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 53,958. Now I'll solve the B1. We'll solve the exercise. From that I'll solve now B1. 3054 multiplied by 11 they have given. Let's multiply this 1 with these 4 numbers first. Then in the next step write the plus sign in the ones place. Then multiply 1 with other numbers. 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 0s are 0, then 1 3s are 3. Now we have finished multiplying the number 1 with this. Now give the plus sign or the 0 here, then multiply with the next number. 1 4s are 4 again, 1 5s are 5, 1 0s are 0, and 1 3s are 3. Now after multiplying, add the numbers and keep. 4 plus 0 is 4, then 5 plus 4 is 9, then 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 0 is 3, and this 3 as it is. So the answer is 33,594. Now I'll solve the next one. I'll solve this. From this exercise I'll solve this B1. See, 1480 multiplied by 42 they have given. Let's solve. First multiply the number 2 with this, and then 4 with these numbers in the next step by putting plus sign in the ones place. See, now 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 16 1 carry over, and 6 you are going to write here down below the 8. Then 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, then 2 1s are 2 here. Then we have finished with this number. Now we'll multiply this with these numbers. Give the plus sign here or the 0, then multiply the number. 4 zeros are 0, then 4 8s are 32, 3 carry over and 2 here. Then 4 4s are 16, 16 plus this 3 carry over, 16 17 18 19, 1 carry over and 9 here. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now add the numbers and get the answer. 2 plus 0 is 2, 6 plus 0 is 6, then 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry over you have to give for the next number. Then 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, then 5 plus 1 is 6. Now see the next exercise. Solve the following. I'll solve the B1. 2008 multiplied by 25. Let's multiply 5 with these numbers first, then 2 with these numbers. 5 8s are 40. Yes. Then 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then 5 zeros are 0 again. Then 5 2s are 10. Here no number is there next, so you have to write the 10 here only. No number is there to give the carryover, so write the number 10 here only. Then in the next line put the plus sign in the ones place, then start multiplying 2 with these numbers. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry over and 6 here. Then 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 carry over. Then 2 zeros are again 0, 2 2s are 4. Add the numbers now. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 carry over and 0 here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 0 plus 0 is again 0. Then 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 50,200. The remaining sums A, C, D and these 4 sums and these 3 sums you will solve and you will send me. Okay. Thank you.